printing a 3D model from your Elite Scan crown prep that you sent off to lab. Open the case in your Aoralscan software. Go to Pre-Design. More applications. Select AccuDesign. As you can see, your model has been imported. I always go with the default printing choices, model with foundation and base plate honeycomb. The resin usage difference between honeycomb and hollow is less than 5%, or in other terms, when printing with Shining's 3D model resins, it would cost around $1.99 in model resin to print both models shown here with honeycomb, whereas it would cost $1.79 to print hollow. Type in the name of the patient, and click Auto Generation. As you can see, the auto generation will trim the model for you, extend it to being a solid, and apply a base. As you can see, it created a honeycomb model. It automatically applied drill holes to the model to avoid suction down onto the plate, and has prepared it for printing. Select Go to Print. In your print settings here, make sure that your material and the printer you want to print to is accurate. My printer, I will assume, has DM12 inside of it, model resin, although I know it does not currently have this model resin. As you can see, it will auto lay out the models. If it prompts you to, click Next. Next again. And then Send. And the printer will begin printing.